With all the home improvement projects I have around the house, unfortunately I don't have a lot of time to maintain my tools, and sooner or later they start to rust. Now you can buy chemical-based rust removers, but they're very caustic and they're not very friendly to the environment. So I have a solution that works just as well, and you can make it with everyday items around the house, including lemon juice and salt. So get a pan and just add some salt, which is the abrasive part of this cleaning solution. Then dump in a little lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as the acid, which helps cut through the corrosion. Mix it up. Here I'm using a steel wool pad. You could also use a scouring pad on a sponge. And just apply it directly to the rust. And in a circular motion, you just scrub away the corrosion. Now, for a tool like this that's really heavily corroded, you might want to let the solution sit for a few minutes. But you can just scrub it a little bit, wipe it off. You can see after just a few seconds how clean that is. In fact, this side was fully rusted. And I also tried it on this hammer, and you can see how clean it came out. The nice thing about this is it costs very little and is completely friendly to the environment.